Um, Hola and welcome to our podcast where we uncover the world's most magical places and hidden treasures. Today, we're heading to one of Europe's most soulful, scenic, and surprising countries, Portugal. In this special podcast, I'll be sharing local tips, secret spots, cultural quirks, traveler hacks, and trivia that even some locals don't know. From the streets of Lisbon to the cliffs of the Algarve and the vineyards of the Douro, this is a Portugal like you've never heard it before. So, essential tips for traveling Portugal. Topics: public transport hack. Get a Viva via gem card in Lisbon. Trains are scenic and cheap. Tipping culture not expected but rounding up is appreciated. Time zone trick. Portugal is on the Western European time, same as the UK. Language tip. Most people speak English but knowing obrigado goes a long way. Water is safe. Bring a reusable bottle. Tap water is drinkable everywhere. So, what locals wish tourists knew? Don't eat at restaurants with photos on the menu. Go for handwritten chalkboards. Never assume people are Spanish. The Portuguese are very proud of their identity. Slow down. Portugal isn't meant to be rushed. Secret spot by region in Lisbon. Secret viewpoint, Mera do Oro, the Senhora do Monte, fewer crowds than Mera do Oro de Santa Catarina. Local eatery, Sir Viharia Ramiro for seafood, or Tascas in Graca for home-cooked meals. Hidden gem is Livraria Semau, the world's smallest bookstore. Trivia: Lisbon is older than Rome and was hit by a massive earthquake in 1755 that shaped the modern city. In Centra, skip the tour bus, take a tuk-tuk or hike to Moorish Castle. Oh, some advise not to take the tuk-tuk but um, get a bus. But anyway, yeah. Secret Trail, walk from Quinta da Regaliera to Setias Palace, a quiet forest spot with fairy tale vibes. Trivia: Lord Byron once called Centra the most beautiful village in the world. In Porto, secret wine spot, instead of the big port lodges, try a tasting at Churchill Terrace, fewer crowds and better views. Local pastry, try a francesinha, a gut-bashing sandwich locals love. It's very popular and it's good. Trivia: Porto gave Portugal its name. Portugal its name. It was once as Portos Calle. Oh. The Algarve, secret beach, Praia da Marinha is famous, but try Praia da Amorera near Algerzur, wild, dramatic, and uncrowded. Local tip: avoid August, go in June or September for great weather and no crowds. Trivia: the Algarve has over 300 days of sunshine per year. Douro Valley, take the train from Porto to Pinhao, one of Europe's most scenic rides. Secret State, Quinta do Crasto, a privately owned, breathtaking views. Trivia: it's one of the oldest demarcated wine regions in the world since 1756. Food and drink secrets. Piestias de nata tip. Best one is not in Belém. Try Mantegaria in Lisbon. I think they said the Belém is good too. Local dishes to try: acorda, bread soup, aljera sausage, and cataplana in the Algarve. Best budget Eats Tascas, family-run restaurant. Over 10 to 15 meals or $20 meals with wine. Gingiha in Lisbon, cherry liquor, the drinks, Benjo Verde from Minho, and Licor Beirao after meals. Don't miss this. Mercado do Bolhao in Porto for snacks and gifts. Pau com Chorico or chorizo bread at Village Festival, fresh from wood ovens. Pitescos, a Portuguese tapa-style dining experience. Cultural and curiosities and trivias. Saudade, the famous Portuguese word that means deep emotional state of nostalgia or longing. O saudade, untranslatable, or it's like a longing or something. Means words longing. Fado, the national music genre, melancholic, poetic, and powerful. Best experience in Alfama. Azulejos, the iconic ceramic tiles, were originally introduced by the Moors. Fun fact, there are more cork oak trees in Portugal than anywhere else. It's the world's largest cork producer. Time capsule village, Monsanto, dubbed the most Portuguese village and built into giant boulders. Practical tips and final hacks. Always carry cash. Smaller towns and cafes often don't take cards. Take it slow. Don't try to do too much. Portugal rewards the relaxed traveler. Locals eat late. Dinner starts around 8 p.m. or later. Shop at local markets, better than tourist shops and often full of local stories. So, whether you're sipping wine in the Douro or hiking to a secret Centra castle, Portugal is a country that wants to be felt, not just seen. I hope this episode gave you a taste of the real soulful hidden Portugal. If you love this episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your favorite travel buddy. And remember, the best trips aren't always planned. Sometimes they're whispered to you by locals. Eight logo and happy travels.